A massive fire that broke out in Dibrugarh's Loharpatty area turned houses of many into ashes, compelling the distressed families to spend the night under the chilly wintry sky. Over 50 houses were gutted in the inferno. Even though no casualty has been reported so far, property worth over rupees 50 lakh were destroyed in the devastating fire that broke out in the area on Sunday night.
This is the very spot where a devastating fire had broke out last evening at around 9 p.m. after which the entire area, around 50 to 60 odd huts and hutments were gutted to ashes. Children are still trying to bring out something out of the ashes, out of the debris. Children, women, old people, there are many. So they have been all victims of this fire.
Locals allege negligence on the part of the fire tenders, as the team reached almost 2 hours after the locals managed to douse the fire on their own. Hence, the delay in taking steps to control the blaze led to more destruction in the area.
হাইব্রিগেড আহিছিলে কিন্তু প্ৰথমে আহিছে তাত পানীয়ে নাই আধা ডিঙি পানী তাৰপিছত আহিছে 1.5 ঘণ্টা পাছত আহিছে জুই নুমাই যোৱাৰ পাছত আহিছে তো পাব্লিক মেলে জুই নুমাইছে
ৰাতি 9টা বজাত এই ষ্টভটো জ্বলাইছে আৰু এটা হাম মাৰিছে টানছে ফুটি গ'ল আমি শুই আছিলোঁ মোৰ বাইকটা মই শুই আছিলোঁ তালা খুলিতে বলতে সারা পড়ে
আপনার কাগজ সাগজ সব জ্বলে গেল
সব টিফিন জ্বলে গেল কুলাও পারাতে.
Meanwhile, authorities concerned reached the spot this afternoon to take stock of the situation and decided to grant an interim relief of rupees 3,800 to each of the affected families.
The fire spread in such a way, so fast that they couldn't even bring out the document. And one thing more which has come into light is the total negligence of the fire and safety department, since it's located only around 200 to 300 meters from this location and they couldn't come in time. So these reasons had to be investigated in future by the administration concerned here. With camera person Praneet, this is Ripunjoy Das reporting for Northeast Live.